Welcome guys, in this tutorial I will explain how to write a program to show how old are you or to get your old. Let's begin here. Actually I write when did you born for the users to actually know what should they do. Here I used one input type text and input type button. Here the value is result. Okay, now whenever someone for example write here 1990 for example 4, so when I press the result, it displayed that you were 28 years old. So this is all about this tutorial. Now I'm going to explain and show you the code, that how I actually write the code. Here is the code. That this is the doc type HTML. As you know, this is the the doc type declaration is an instruction to the web browser about what version of HTML the page is written in, and this part are the step-by-step we must follow. This is the HTML tag which we should write step-by-step, and this is the head. The head in here is the title. As you say, the title here is H, and the title is I have written H. So here is the style type text. Actually this is an attribute type, an attribute type, and there is the body. In the body I use, for example, this all HTML code. In the body I use the background color orange. You can see the background color is here in text align center. So text align is actually in the center. You can see it is in the center. And font size I chose 14. So you can see the font size is this. So I actually I close the style type text. It is CSS. Sorry, it is CSS code, and here I use the enclose the body. Here I came to PHP. Before I explain the PHP codes, I'm going to explain the HTML code here. Here I use a form. Okay, here I use a form, and this form actually the method is post. We have two type of method, one is get and one is post. What is the purpose of these? Actually get and post method are the HTML request methods using inside the form tag to send form data to the server. Actually the purpose of this is that. And here you can see I write this for the user, so you can see when did you born. So you can here input type text, so the type is text, and type and the other input type is submit. So this is the button for submit, and the value for this button is result. Okay, for the user, it is for the user in order to know what to do. So here I close the HTML. Here I close the form tag, the HTML tag and the form tag. So I actually use HTML and PHP inside together. So here I'm going to explain the PHP code. If I said post H, so the name of actually text must, this text type name is actually H. So this is actually H. Okay, the name of this attribute is actually H. So the current year is the current year equal to 2022. Born year equal to post.h. For example, the person type his or her born here, that he born or she born. Then the current age, this is another actually variable, equal to the current year, and minus born year. It means that the current age equal to variable current here, which I mentioned here, minus born here. It means that when a person